Hello YouTube, this is me Jamresh Khan and you are watching Being a Zoologist. Today we will discuss an interesting and important topic of zoology. So do not wait, let's start it. We will discuss branches of zoology. We know that branches are of a huge thing like a huge tree have branches. So zoology also have its branches. We know that zoology covers a huge area of study. It covers or deal a major portion of biology. So, how we can study a major portion in a single subject? This is impossible, and it causes ambiguity for the audience and for a student. So that is why the educationist and the expert divide every subject into its branches, and there are few reasons and benefit of this division. We will discuss it. Reasons and benefits of divide a subject into its branches. So, few of the reasons we will discuss. Number one, we know that every subject and its branch will have its own expert, teacher, and institutes. For example, we know that some university are only teach the fisheries, some university are only teach the agriculture, and also every subject have its own experts and teacher. So when a subject is divided into its branches, so each branch have its own expert, teacher, and institutes. The second reason or benefit of divide a subject into its branches is to understand the application and importance of a subject. To divide a subject into its branches, it explaining a man will understand its application and importance in a society, that what actually a subject covers and what actually a subject deals. Third reason that why a subject is divided into its branches, it distinguish one portion from another. The fourth reason is that to limit each subject area, as one subject cannot cover a whole and a large area, so divided into its branches it limit each subject area. So this was a little bit information and reason and benefits that why a subject is divided into its branches. Now let's come to the branches of zoology. Zoology is also divided into various branches, but few are very important and we will discuss it. We have on first number protozoology. This branch of the zoology only discuss the unicellular organisms. Unicellular, which have only one cell but they are completely do all functions of body or whole body, covers all functions such as nutrition, reproduction, and other. So example is amoeba. The second branch of zoology is Helminthology. This branch discusses worms. But what sort of worms? Flat worms. Its example is liver fluke. The third branch of the zoology is nematology. This is also a group of animals which known as nematodes. So, this branch discuss or study nematodes. And what are nematodes? Nematodes are round and unsegmented worms. Example is Ascaris lumbricide, which is present mostly in children, a thread-like worm. The fourth branch of the zoology is entomology, and this branch deals the insects. What it deals of the insects, its anatomy, physiology, its morphology, and other living characters like its reproduction, its mode of nutrition, etc. The fifth branch is parasitology. This is very interesting and my favorite branch of zoology. I have done my specialization in this branch, and this branch study the parasites. It also discuss the parasitic nature of organism. We have some protozoans, helminths, nematodes that serves as parasite on other organisms. For example, malaria causing protozoa, which is known as plasmodium. The sixth branch of zoology is insectology. There is confusion that entomology and insectology. Entomology also deals the insects, and insectology also deals the insect. Mean it study the insects. That's why there are two terms, and both are used for the study of insects. There is a little bit difference in entomology and insectology. Insectology deals the economic based study of insects. So what does it mean? It means that those insects which are playing a role in our economy, so it deals in insectology. For example, honeybee. The seventh branch of zoology is nidology. This branch deals with the study of a group of animals known as coelentrates. Nidology deals a group of animals which is known as coelentrates. And what are coelentrates? They are animals having snake-like body and tentacles arise from their body. For example, their body is snake-like, having tentacles. The eighth branch of zoology is malacology. It deals with the study of a group of organisms known as mollusks. Everyone know about mollusks. They are invertebrates and lower animals and have soft body cover and shell. We have example snail. The ninth branch of zoology is herpetology. This branch deals with the study of both reptiles and amphibians. We know that reptiles and amphibians are a group of animals and they are developed and vertebrate animal. The 10th branch of zoology is ornithology. It studies only the snakes, and their experts also can trap snakes. We are watching on National Geographic and movies that in jungle someone is uh, chasing the snakes and then he trap it. It also sometimes deals the venom or biting behavior of snakes. The next and 11th branch of zoology is ichthyology. This branch deals the study of fishes. The 12th branch of zoology is ornithology. This branch deals the study of birds. Now we move to the next page and we have 13th number of branch, which is mammalogy and other branch. In this branch, the zoology deals the study of mammals. And what are mammals? They are a group of animals having hairs on body and they give milk to offspring when born. The next branch of zoology is animal diversity. This branch deals the variation or variety of organism in a habitat, environment, or area. It means that how much number the animals are present in an area, and we know that in a jungle the animals are diverse and mostly in desert we have few animals. The next branch of zoology is animal physiology. This branch deals the study of function of different organs. Now we have animal anatomy, which is also a branch of zoology which deals the internal structure of an organ. Now let's move to the next page, and the next branch of zoology we have embryology. Embryology is the branch of zoology which deals the early development of an organism. For example, when oogenesis and spermatogenesis occurs and then mating occur between two organisms, then form it zygote and then embryo and then fetus. This is the early development of an organism which is discussed in embryology. Now next, endocrinology. This branch of zoology deals the endocrine system and hormones. The next branch of zoology is myology. This branch deals the study of muscles. On 20 number we have odontology, and this branch of zoology deals with anatomy, diseases, and other functions of teeth. Now moving to next page, we have osteology. This branch of zoology deals the study of bones or skeleton. Next is the branch which is hematology. This branch deals the study of blood. And what sort of study? Diseases, components of blood, etc. The next branch of zoology is ethology. Very interesting branch is this, my favorite, and this branch studies the animal behavior. Why dogs bite? These are the behavior. Why honeybees produce honey? Why they form colonies? So it also studies the social behavior in ants, termites, in humans, and in honeybees, etc. The next branch of zoology is morphology. This branch deals the study of size, shape, and outer body of an organism. The next branch of zoology is immunology. This branch deals the study of immune system or defense system of an organism body that fight against infections of microbes, pathogens, and injury. It also deals the component of immune system. The next branch we have fishery. This is a little economic based study of fishes in which deals with the study of production, management, and marketing of fishes. The fish are produced or kept in farms, they are managed, they are then sold. And every country have its own ministry of fishery, have minister, have secretaries. So this is a huge and a large branch of zoology. Now moving next, we have genetics. This is also an important branch which deals the variations and heredity. It means that how and what are the laws and principles that parents shared or transfer their characters to its offsprings. A very interesting branch is this. Moving next, we have cell biology. This branch of biology deals both the cell of animals and plants, but we focus in during our zoology to the animal cell, and there is difference between animal and plant cell. So this branch deals the cell. What sort of study? Component, of cell, function of cell, and we know that cell is the basic and functional unit of all living organisms. Moving next, we have histology. This branch deals the study of tissues, and microscopy is involved in this study to look the tissues and cells of an organism. The next and approximately the last one branch of zoology we have the taxonomy. This deals the study of classification of organisms based on similarities. It divides the living organism based on similarity into classes, into orders, and into phylums. This was our today lecture. If I did my best and you got my points, so please like my video, and if there is any mistakes or error, and if you ask me anything, please comment, and for the support, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.